Looking to hydro dip your ATV parts? Let's figure out how. Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about ATV parts and what all is going to be needed to do these in a carbon fiber film. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So what we've got here is an ATV hood off of an ATV, and it appears to be some sort of fiberglass that is maybe aftermarket. I'm not exactly sure, but anyways, the customer is wanting us to do all of this in a carbon fiber. So we've already got everything prepped out and ready to go, which means that we've already sanded everything down, we have primered it, we have smoothed anything out, especially with it being fiberglass, and then we have came back in, applied a sealer, and then came back in and applied this base color of the charcoal metallic gray. Now, once we have all of this, now we are ready to go through and dip the entire thing. So this is going to be a fairly straightforward dip. The only couple of things that I'm really seeing on a part like this is mainly going to be right here for these holes right here, and then also this one little area right here for the actual key itself. So those are going to be very simple to take care of, in the fact of we just need to take this right here and just cover this up. Now, it doesn't have to be anything extravagant or looking the best. We just mainly need to cover that up, as well as something like this right here. Now, these little areas right here, I'm not too worried about. If you want to go ahead and cover them up, you can. It's not going to be the end of the world, but just to make sure, we can go ahead and cover those up. And so the biggest thing that we're going to try to do is we want to try to make sure, especially on the carbon fiber, that as the carbon is coming up into here or coming down into that, whichever way we dip it, that as the water comes through this little area right here, it can sometimes void out or move the pattern, and so we don't want that. We want the pattern to go up and then just continue on up and over, so then that way everything stays as smooth and as seamless as possible going down through here, and we have little to no stretch all the way across the entire part. So once we've got all of that, now we can lay out our film and go ahead and dip everything else. Now, this is going to be a very simple dip, since we do have these little areas right here to kind of hold. This will be easy enough to hold, and then we'll make a tape tab back here so we can hold it right there. So then we can pick it up, move it, and then again, very simple dip starting right here, and then mainly just kind of coming in like that. Once we get to about right in here, we're going to actually just start going almost like straight down, because we want to try to prevent as much stretch on these edges, but we're still going to get stretched. There's no way around it, but by going in like this right here, we're able to start at that one little corner right there and then get everything dipped going down just like this. So let's go ahead, let's lay out everything, get it ready to go, and show you guys the end result. So of course, with the carbon fiber, we want to try to keep this as contained as possible, so that way we get as little to no stretch before we actually dip the part. So we've got the film in the water, we've got it set for about a minute on the water. Once we spray it with the Liquid Concepts activator, then we'll go ahead and we'll get everything dipped and show you guys the end result. So it looks like we got a really good pattern all the way around. We've got a beautiful look all the way around the entire part. We have little to no stretch coming down into here, which is exactly what we wanted, and even coming down into here. So overall, I think this came out really well. Went down into the water, nice, slow, steady motion, just like what you saw there. And then now we can go ahead, we can rinse everything, get it all rinsed off, get all the excess PVA off, all of this little excess like this right here, and then come in, clear coat it, and it's gonna look fantastic. So I think the customer is really gonna be excited about it. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below, as well as if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We'd always love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips on anything in the water transfer printing industry. If you're interested in getting into the water transfer printing, definitely check out the links in the description below. We're gonna have links to the website that has everything that you're gonna need for getting into this, including the tanks, the training, the film, the activator, anything that you see here. It is all there on the website, so definitely check that out. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.